back to another video. Sorry about the last video. My tablet turned off. Probably because it's glitching. The fireworks. And there's fireworks. It's not fit.
But they're behind the tree, you guys.
Yeah, so you probably can't see them. That's better look.
They look like shooting stars.
Yeah, they're so cool. If you guys like fireworks,
I got a great song
in the description
I got a
below.
great. Cause baby, you're fine.
Katy Perry. Whatever. Don't care.
I swear to God, if these are on all night, I am gonna die.
Come on, that can't be the end. It was like all crazy.
Yeah, it was like.
Honey, there's just people that are setting them off. It's not like a organized
Thing.
thing.
Yeah. So we're
Molly,
sitting
get
out
off my
in this
blanket for a second.
blanket.
Fireworks that used to be illegal that aren't.
I got my sister's sweatshirt, which is pretty cool. Has a mask.
That I am
When
not
are they
alone.
ever gonna set off? I think I turned off the tablet last.
Yeah.
I didn't notice. Did you see my finger do it?
No.
That looks cool. It looks like Slither.io when there's a little worm. See? Wait, stop it. Looks like Slither.io. If you guys do not know what Slither.io or Slither.io, it's a video game when you're a worm. What?
Looking at,
What?
looking at the tree.
What? You're
looking
pooping
at
by
the
a
tree.
tree.
No, I'm looking at the tree. Not pooping at the tree.
Oh, anywho, guys, sorry if this recording is a little bit more, like,
Molly, get off my blanket.
a little bit less, more than, like, less, like, if you hear me say ow, it's because I got a sore neck. I was just swimming and then randomly my neck started to hurt on the right or other people's left, like my sister's. Yeah, her butt was just by the camera. Monty's in there. Think that maybe Monty, that shadow right there,
It's a
guys.
blanket.
Oh, that's a blanket. Where are the fireworks gonna come? What? Because I heard a bang.